Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, I make these videos every day. Please give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, leave your comments. And the phone numbers, they're in the description. Just hit the show more underneath this video. The description box should open up. Get those phone numbers and blow those numbers up every day. Those numbers will get you in touch with the Switchboard at the White House. They will get you in touch with any member of the House, any congressman, any senator, and even Donald Trump's office. You won't talk to Donald Trump, but you can talk to one of his aides. Chew their ears off. Do not be nice. The time of being nice is long past. And remember, we got 128 days until voting time. 128 days until we have to clean the swamp up there. Let your voices be heard with your vote and your phone calls. Y'all, I still feel real confident in the $2,000 stimulus check. A lot of people think I'm crazy. Maybe I am. Probably am. But I still feel real confident in the stimulus check. And all the news that I got today is very good news, and it just props up my confidence in the $2,000 stimulus check. So let's get into it. First of all, Donald Trump was asked about another stimulus check. He said, "We are looking into something very dramatic. It will be much better than before." He didn't come out and say another stimulus check. But with his optimistic answer, you can only draw your conclusions. And I'm looking for another check. Steve Mnuchin was asked, if we get another stimulus check, would it be targeted and would fewer people get it? He replied, it would go to everyone. If you got the check before, you would qualify for it this time as well. Now, if they wasn't working on a check, he would have cut it off right there and said there's not going to be another check. But he left that open. That's another good sign for a check. Jerome Powell said that we need to keep the unemployment payments flowing. Well, duh. He said on July 31st, 20 million Americans will lose the only income that they have overnight. Took a genius to figure that out, didn't it? Chris Noon, I don't know if I'm saying his last name right, introduced a new bill today. It gives more PPP money to the same businesses that got it before. Why don't we work on the bill that we've already got before us and get it passed so everybody across the line can get help? Even we the people can get help. All of these bills, they're a waste of time. Forget about them. Work on the one we got. Vice President Mike Pence said that this is the very good news. He said the $1 trillion that Trump wanted to spend on infrastructure is a bill on its own. It has nothing to do with the bill to help the people. It's not part of the $2 trillion that they have on the table right now. So that's very good. This means more room for more stimulus checks and bigger stimulus checks. All of these things adds up to more stimulus checks. That's why I feel so confident in a $2,000 or better stimulus check. Now, there's a lot of people out there who think I'm crazy. Sometimes I think I'm crazy. So, we're agreeing. But y'all, we have to look at the bright side of things. If we look at the bad things all the time, we will drive ourselves crazy. And I'm not going to do that. I'm going to look for the good in everything. There's good in everything. You just have to dig deeper and find it. Y'all please take those phone numbers, blow those phone lines up, let them know your demands, and don't be nice to them. They're not being nice with us with a wait and see approach. So we don't be nice to them. We demand what we want, and we let them know there's 128 days left in their job. If they want to keep their job, we get what we want. Don't be nice. Y'all, I make these videos every day. Please come back and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, leave your comment, leave your love, leave your hate. I want it all. Y'all, I love you all. Until tomorrow, ciao.